Hello family, welcome back. We got a ready to eat Nutrify honey roasted oats from Sundrop premium granola and it costs 20 rupees for 40 gram. Okay, let's check and review. Okay friends, it smells like roasted oats and this one is honey roasted oats, but the sweetness is not like a honey type, it's like a powdered sugar type, but it tastes excellent. 35.7% oats is there with the rolled wheat, cranberries and almonds, and it tastes like some oats based snack bar. For 20 rupees it's worth it, especially this roasted oats taste with the sweet and also has a wheatish taste is there, and the quantity of this cranberries and almonds at 20 rupees is also good. Just try it, it's a must try one. Our rating for this Nutrify honey roasted oats is 8 out of 10.